In this video, I'll show you how to sort by new on Reddit mobile. So if you want to filter your newsfeed by new, then this is how you do it. On the home screen, there should be a down arrow beside the Reddit logo at the top. Press on that. That'll bring up this menu, and if you choose the bottom one, it says latest. It will show you all the new posts in all of the subreddits that you joined. So if you want to filter a subreddit by its new posts, then you open up the subreddit and you should see a drop down menu beside where it says best posts. Tap on that, and if you come down you can tap on new and it will show you all the new posts in that subreddit. So if you'd like to filter comments by new, then open up a post, and if you come to the top directly beside the search bar, there will be two lines with circles in the middle of them, just here. Tap on that, and then you can also sort them by new. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.